Baby, it's your birthday. Ay, tsaka. Happy birthday to you, my lover. Wow, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Go dandy, go dandy, go dandy, it's your birthday. Go dandy, hey, go dandy, hey, go dandy, it's your birthday. Go baby, go baby, go baby, it's your birthday. Ay, chaka 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 chaka. Hey, hey. Hi guys, so today is my baby's birthday. Today is my baby's birthday. Da-na-na-na-na-na. And I got this package from this friend's brand. I'm about to go give it, so let's see. Yeah. Ta-da! My baby, happy birthday to you. What do you want to say to the camera?
Love the Lord. Love the Lord with all your heart, and He will lift you up.
Like me,
I am lifted.
yeah. You are getting old. You get. Oh. Guys, I think my baby's coming outside, so I want to send him his birthday gift. It's not coming. Eh? Okay. Put your hands. What shoes? Yeah.
What was it they used to say? Seeking you will find. There is nothing in you that is fading. All you ever do is shine. You are brighter all the time. I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody.
Thanks, boo. Love you.
What's going on?
Apple Series 8. No. Trying to see this. Some other. Let me turn on the volume. She's probably going to see this some other time later. It's now the 8th of November. My birthday is done, and it feels special. It feels like a new era, the beginning of more blessings. And I want to say, baby, thank you so much for making it special. Thank you for making it special. Thank you for looking pretty, as always. Thank you for just making it a good laugh. I love you so much. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Come on. That's like the content is fire. Let's not lie. The angles on these videos on my baby's YouTube. Stop it. Stop it. Support, and also, of course, if you can, subscribe to D Dandies as well. Sam Dandy. Love you, baby. Thank you again.
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone.
Hi my lovelies.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my not so little space. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So today is 14th of November. My baby is 4 years old. Yes, I have a baby, like a baby 4 years old. So my brand Abakele is 4 years old. Abakele is a home decor brand that makes premium and crafted products with your mind. Okay, yeah, check us out on Instagram at Abakele. So guys, actually I want to leave the house so hot. I just want to step outside, so I am going to the mall. I need to get coffee and also maybe eat out, then go get my art supply. So see you guys.
Saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day. something that will make my day. 'Cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep. 'Cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh, was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa, why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and it was her and I. She promised me to never leave my side, but she left me here alone. I know it's dumb, I still check my phone 'cause I can't move on. Whoa.
And I'm saying so because one reason why it's difficult to believe in miracle is this: you're believing God for money and say God will supply it. Say, how does God supply it? I understand easily bank gives me a loan. I understand if my rich uncle says I will give you money, but how do you really say God supplies? It's mysterious, but it's mysterious because you are in the lower class, in the senior class. You understand that there are activities of angels, there are divine laws that God can put aside to make sure it comes to you. The second reason why I go to the hospital, we do the blood test and we seriousness. That means anyone that comes to your hospital, we call them isolated cases. What's isolated? Remember what is one with that song? Hallelujah. I say hallelujah. I say hallelujah. What you have to do is this: where you're telling me, go back to the office. I said, 1995, 2012, what is this?
Say hi to my YouTube fan. Okay.
Good afternoon. So I'm on my way to see my stylist and also like shop for lights for my clients. I am actually very exhausted. I've been having like a stressful day, but we move. See ya, guys.
TBH. Oyin, please.
To drill a hole. Say hello to my YouTube family. Yes, come on.
Oh, I promise not to tell anybody. Oh, I'll keep it as a secret till the day I die. That'd be boring. You don't have to keep it a secret, all right? We'll keep the secret for you. You can call us and be a part of that time or that show, that segment, and spill. Woo! The secret's on there. Tasty. Tasty. Arch your chest and say, I can handle Sam Dandy's threesome. Okay, that sounds wrong. How about we say, I can handle threesome on 88.5 UFM. I'm not going to spill it. Now, I ain't spilling, no. Leave the cats inside the bag, yeah. You have to wait up until that point to find out what happens.
Hi guys, we are so tired, like pretty tired, planning this wedding. Have a perfect wedding. I think I look like a baby, right? Oh, I can see Marie. Bye guys. Yeah.